Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a diamond painting from newcraftday. They did send this to me for a review. I did not have to pay for this one, so it is a promotional video. I will have the link for this diamond painting in the description. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this, so let's go ahead. So it is a 60 by 45. Okay, so it is 60 by 45. I don't have a centimeter tape measure, so 60 inches is supposed to be 24 or 23 by ish. So this is 23 by 17 3/4. So they do go off of canvas size, not design size, which that's okay. That doesn't really bother me, but I know some people would like to know what exactly they are getting. So it is a carousel and it's a Christmas theme. Oh, there we go. To me, it looks a little blurry, but honestly, I've been having issues with my glasses, so that might be that reason. Because I'm looking in the camera, and it looks okay. All right. Move my holder. So there we go. That is the whole picture. And then I'll zoom in on it so you can see the canvas, the letters, and the quality. This does look like a newer style printing because you can see the printing. The picture is inside the letters, or it is outside the letters, I guess I should say. So it helps to bring the picture come to life. We do have 23 numbers, and it looks like it's all letters, so that's good, easy. We do have DMC code. So again, I don't really see any issues with reading anything. I'm just kind of glancing over while I take you guys on a little ride. So there's that. All right, and now we'll go over the drills. So the drills do not have DMC. Labeled B2419, and that's what our painting is also labeled, B2419. So that's how I label my, how I find my drills. So we have 23 bags. It looks like we have 2 of number 20. And if you can, please leave me a comment and let me know if this lighting is any better. I'm in a different room. I finally got to my drafting table. I can't tell from the view. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of number 9. That's our background. And 2 bags of number 5. And there we go. It looks like we have very little black in here, so that's nice. I always used to wonder why it mattered if there was a lot of black or not, but usually the black drills are terrible. I'm working on a diamond painting right now, and I had a lot of black trash drills. So let me go ahead and get these put back up and I'll be right back. Okay, so there we have it. This was a new company to me. They did send this to me, and it was newcraftday. And again, I'll put all the links in the description so you guys can check them out. This painting right here was $12.99, so I think their pricing is pretty right on with everybody else. I don't think it was too expensive. They have some other craft items too. They had a cute Christmas tree skirt that I really wanted, but I just didn't. They sent me this one instead, but I might go on and purchase that tree skirt for next Christmas so I can have it because I really liked it and it was cute. So all in all, I think it's a good budget-friendly company. I did look through some of their diamond paintings, and like I said, they seem to be right on point with the budget-friendly companies, and that's what I'm all about. So I want to thank you guys for watching and subscribing and supporting my channel. I will have another giveaway at 500 subscribers. I think the last time I checked, I was only at 460. So, I mean, we're getting there slowly but surely. I know I need to post some more videos, but like I've said in a couple other videos, I've been pretty busy dealing with some medical stuff and moving. Now, hopefully, we're in a good space where I can start doing my videos on a regular basis again. But for right now, it's once every couple months they get uploaded. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you in the next video.